fears, so many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
You thought I'd be bigger? Girl, if you don't stop playing, bro, I just gotta chop my shit up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm a grower, not a shower. It's not that, yo, this is not that complicated. This ain't hard. Oh my, oh
no! That's what you get.
Where the fuck do these niggas keep coming from? You saving me money? And you bad? Yup. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. The fuck? Come over here. Let me get a free retwist. Instead of me having to go to this lady at this fucking salon. I do here, sorry, what's up? Sorry, I got you. I do too, what's good? I feel like y'all lying. I just got a free haircut. This nigga Jax done laid down some pipe for a free cut. Nigga living the life. My boy hooked me up. Be who you are. Chat, let's play Dark Deception. New game.
Dark Deception.
Oh, nah. Why it started like that? It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. Oh, nah, this emo-ass text. Who is this? Agatha? Bierce? Your name Bierce? That's a terrible name, but damn, you got them. Let me... Shit, you kinda bad.
Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love.
I disappoint you? What the fuck did I do?
Fears, so many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
You thought I'd be bigger? Girl, if you don't stop playing, bro, I just gotta chop my shit up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm a grower, not a shower.
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
Shorty, what are you talking about?
But now your time has come, and here you are. To grovel and beg. You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear not, love. You've got potential.
Shorty told you get a DDL is crazy.
And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer
Dick Zillion Dick Lift. That's a procedure where, you know what I'm saying, you get your shit to look like Godzilla.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals.
Okay.
Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Shorty, you been talking to me? You bad as hell. Shit. My fault, chat. I'm gonna see you later.
Clock's ticking.
Y'all ain't give me no controls, nothing. What the fuck am I supposed to be doing? Oh, nah, this demon-ass game. Monkey business.
What a charming little hotel.
Welcome breakfast and murder for free every day until 10. Breakfast and murder is crazy. Oh! I was about to say thank you, bro. Who the fuck? Yo, sir, are you coming out the elevator? Are you coming out the elevator? Niggas got me fucking with Caesar. Can I use the elevator now? Okay. Let me in, gang.
Going up?
I guess. I don't even know what any of these buttons mean. Ooh. Should y'all hear that fire-ass jazz music in the back? Elevator music low-key be going hard sometimes, chat.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Okay.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing. You're not alone. There
I
are
kind of
monsters
assumed
in
there was a
here,
big-ass monkey in the
and they're
elevator.
looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
Oh, what
it
the
can
fuck?
detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here.
I'm up here with it.
Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Okay, so I'm supposed to collect all these shards. Okay, so it's a maze, and I'm supposed to collect all these shards without getting caught by the monsters. That's simple enough. This is like Pac-Man. Yeah, this is like Pac-Man. It's not that, yo, this is not that complicated. This ain't hard. Oh my!
You trying to fuck or something? Like, what's up, nigga?
Hakeni just redeemed posture check.
This is not like Pac-Man. Oh my god!
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
What the fuck? Where did he come from? Oh! I don't have to keep going the same way. It keeps the same shards. Okay, I didn't know that. I thought it would restart. So I gotta keep my eye out for him. I thought it would restart. Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Nope. Nope. Fuck, nigga. Nope. 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 Fuck, nigga. I heard you coming this time. He on my ass. He on my ass right now. Where'd you come from? Chat, he came through the wall. Chat, did y'all see that? He came through the wall. Sorry, restart. There's like 3 monkeys in this? Okay.
Charming.
I didn't know that. There's 3 monkeys.
Bring back any
Sometimes they can spawn through walls. Good to know. They don't business then, nigga. Let me get an elevator. I'm not scared of you. I followed your Insta. Appreciate that, Jax. Shout out to the Insta squad. Shout out to the people who follow me on Instagram.
Now listen closely.
Yep, skip the tutorial. Skip the tutorial. I don't need that. Okay. Damn, this is the first map? Nope. 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 Fuck me. Nope. 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 Don't you heal my ass right now? Nope. Ah, damn it. I thought he was coming the other way. I thought he was coming the other way. I thought he was coming the other way. I thought he was coming the other way.
How
I
embarrassing.
thought he was coming the other way. I thought he was coming the other way. I thought he was trying to juke me out. They really just follow you. They don't try to juke you out in this game. Okay. Okay. So if I'm running one way, just keep running. If I'm running one way, just keep running. Run from the damn monkey. Oh no!
That's what you get.
Where the fuck do these niggas keep coming from? Chat, I'm not gonna lie, when I play these games, stop looking at it as sorrow find some progression. Just entertaining. It's just entertaining.
Bring back
You're here to watch me get scared and yell at a camera. Come on. Y'all niggas be so impatient, bro. Let me learn the game. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, chat. When I be in the elevator, I be making sure I don't touch any of the walls. I don't touch none of these railings. I don't trust that shit. I hear that nigga. I hear him. I'm gonna go for the one on the edges. Later, dude. Zoink skips. It's like a lot of monsters. Zoink skips. I hear him. Yup. I just had to learn the strategy. I'm not gonna go in the corners. They be catching me in the corners. I hear that nigga behind me. I'm gonna go through all the main hallways first. Going through all the main hallways first. I'm gonna touch the corners later. Run through here. Yup. Run through here. Keep running this way. Bust a right. Bust another right. Go through this way. Yup, I hear that nigga behind me. I hear him behind me. I hear him behind me. Boom. Bust a left. Run through this way. Keep going this way.
You've gathered half of the tribe.
Yep, I hear him behind me.
I would have thought you'd have been
Yep.
shredded.
Just keep running. Touch the corners later. I'll worry about the corners later. I'm gonna make this full circle. I mean this full square. Turn around. Bust a right. Bust a left. Bust a right. These niggas right behind me. Oh, shit. Nope. Nope. Keep running this way. Keep running this way. Keep running this way. Keep running this way. Yup. We can do this corner right here. Bust a right. Bust a right. Uh-huh. Go full circle. Go full circle. Go full circle. Yup. Oh my. Damn it. Y'all see me getting better though, chat. Y'all see me getting better though. Nope. Turn around. Bust a left. Bust a right. Bust a left. Bust a left. Bust a right. Bust a right. Bust a left. Bust a left. Bust a right. Oh no. Yup. Go this way. Oh, I shouldn't have came down this corner. Bust a left. Bust a right. No. That's not even, bro. When they box me in like that, what am I supposed to do? I can't get away. Y'all want me to get headphones? Chat, I have not used my headphones in eons, bro. So are you gonna be playing horror games every night? Will I ever know peace again? Nah, not every night, but I do want to start playing more just indie games and stuff like that. We are gonna be playing a lot more games, bro. I hear that nigga behind me. I hear him behind me. Oh no! Run! This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Chat, they literally double teamed me in the hallway. What was I supposed to do? Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. 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 What's the right? What's the left? What's the right? I shouldn't have come this way. I shouldn't have come this way. I shouldn't have come this way. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Yep. Turn around. What's the left?
You've gathered half of the shards. I'm impressed.
Lady, stop talking in my ear.
Been shredded by now.
You want me to die so bad. Racist white lady, it's Black History Month. Keep running, keep running, keep running. What's the right? What's the left? Right! Left! Left! Right! Right! Left! Left! Right! Left! Right! They got me running from Mojo Jojo. Nope. Nope. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ah! Ah!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Okay. You think you could do this to me? You think you could do this to me? It's low-key RNG, bro, because one be chasing behind me and the next one be right around the corner, and I have nowhere else to go. Yep, go this way. See what I'm talking about, chat? Nope.
Right behind you. You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Oh my gosh. I'll worry about getting good ranks later. Nope. Nope. Fuck, nigga. Keep running, keep running, keep running.
Hurry.
Keep running, keep running, keep running. What's the right? Nope. That's what I'm talking about. One be behind me and one be in front of me, bruh. It's like, what do I do in that situation, chat? So the light was blinking. Well, I had to run away from the thing. Yep. Wait, can I hide? One of those doors let me, was about to let me click it. Can I hide in this game? Oh, fuck.
It's almost got you. Run.
Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck. Yeah, Sen told me the mouse button. I used it a couple times. It does feel a little unnatural, so I gotta get used to it. Like, it feels unnatural clicking the mouse button. So yeah, I just gotta get used to it.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go in.
What? What?
The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
What is going on? Ah!
Death by monkey?
What the fuck?
How
What was that?
embarrassing. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh my god, no! He's camping! He's literally camping! How he get in front of you? I thought it was one. Bro, Cal,
You've gathered
there's
all
multiple
the
of them, but like,
The
leading
ring piece is now
them to each other.
exposed, and the monsters will go
Okay,
into
look,
a
right?
frenzy.
Look, right? There's this dude. I have to get him out of there, right? There's also that dude, right? There's two of them blocking both the ways in. It's not me leading them to each other. It's the fact that they're in front of the ways in. So I have to go around. I literally have to, you feel me? I have to lead them away from the way in. So I have to get their attention first. You see? You could hide? Nobody told me. That's why I asked earlier. Can I hide? And nobody said anything. They never told me that in this game either. Y'all seen me build up the game. These niggas gave me no instructions. Oh my god. Let me out.
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape.
I never knew about the hiding.
Hurry.
Sanu never knew about the hiding either. Close the door. Now that's dick riding. You see? You see, Martin? Bro, you know what I'm saying, bro? Man, that's the shit about streaming. Oh no!
There's no escape.
I'm not turning around. I'm not turning around. Oh my gosh. And I still got a B. And I still got a B. Nigga. It's that shit about streaming, bro. Every time you do good, niggas never want to say W's in the chat. But when I'm fucking up and I'm failing, niggas never want to understand. It's L gamer or L in the chat. You suck at the game. Get off the game.
Good.
I can never
You
learn.
made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
I'm just chatting right now.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all this time.
Shout out to all the people who said
Do
W's in the
not
chat.
listen to her, mortal. She's just using.
I was mostly talking about the niggas that was talking the most shit.
And there will be.
The only people who said W's in the chat were the niggas that wasn't talking shit. Niggas who talk shit never want to give me my
This is your
credit.
only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table, now! It's been so long.
Oh, nah.
The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak. Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
So what do you gain from this? I don't know why we're acting like you don't have an ulterior motive. What do you gain from me doing this? Like, I don't trust you for a second.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another
Hey.
nightmare?
You feel me? Like, just because you got your titties out don't mean I'ma trust you. I don't trust you in the slightest, shorty. And just because you got them, you know what I'm saying, the bazoongas out, don't mean nothing. Oh! I gotta purchase the next chapter? Yeah, you need to spend bread on the next chapters. Oh, is there no chapter replay? Alright, chat. I'm a cop the other chapters. The more W's I get in the chat, bro, the more I'm gonna start ignoring the hate.